Go ahead and create our home page. So this is our home page. We'll launch our app. So here we see AppBar and our content. Now inside this AppBar over here, we'll add actions. Inside the actions list, we can see an icon button, and this icon button reflects over here. And as we want to click on this, we want to actually navigate to a new page or new route, and that would show our search page. Like if we click over here, we want to go to a new page, but right now this is an empty black container. So over here, we'll go down and create a new search page. So this is our search page, and this search page would get called from here. And inside this, we have this AppBar container and box decoration, some fancy stuff, as well as a text field because we want to be able to search items. Now let's restart our app. So we see that our AppBar and search icon. Now we click on this, we see that we popped up a new search box. That also means that this search box or this search page is actually a new page, or it is coming from a new route. Of course, you can go back and work like this. And if you want to search items like this over here, then go ahead and check out my e-commerce app tutorial where you'd be able to search and search item. Go ahead and check out my e-commerce app tutorial where you'd be able to search different items. Based on that, we'll see different search result. And this is coming from our API request. Thank you.